It was a warm Saturday morning and Arjun was walking to a cafe near his home. He had recently started learning English and wanted to practice more in real life situations. The cafe was called the Grammar Café. It wasn't just a place to drink coffee, it was a place where people came to speak, listen, and learn English. When Arjun entered, a friendly voice greeted him. "Good morning. Welcome to the Grammar Café," said a woman behind the counter. "Good morning," Arjun replied. "This is my first time here." The woman smiled. "My name is Rina. We help people improve their English by speaking naturally. Would you like to join our conversation group?" "Yes, I would love to," said Arjun. He sat at a table with 3 other people, Sana, Ali, and David. Each of them had a small notebook and a cup of tea. Sana smiled. "Let's start with introductions. I'll go first." She said, "My name is Sana. I am a nurse. I live in this city and I enjoy cooking." Then Ali said, "I am from Egypt. I speak Arabic and I am learning English for work." David added, "I am an English teacher. I come here to help and listen." It was Arjun's turn. He took a deep breath. "My name is Arjun. I'm a student. I study computer science and I want to speak English better." "Great job," said David. "Let's practice grammar while talking." Present simple and continuous, David asked, "What do you do every day, Arjun?" Arjun replied, "I go to college. I study in the morning. In the evening, I practice English." Sana added, "Right now, I am reading a book about health. It helps me with work." David said, "That's the difference between simple present and present continuous. One is for routines, the other is for actions happening now." Articles a and the. Ali asked, "Is it correct to say, I ate an apple today?" "No," Rina joined in. "It should be, I ate an apple." Use an before vowel sounds and a before consonant sounds. Examples: I saw a cat. She has an umbrella. He went to the park. Past tense, David asked, "What did you do yesterday, Arjun?" Arjun said, "I studied in the library. Then I watched a movie at home." "Nice," David said. "You used the past tense correctly." First conditional, Sana said, "If I practice speaking, I will become more fluent." "That's the first conditional," David said. "Use it when you talk about real possibilities in the future." Ali said, "If it rains, I will stay home." Everyone smiled. They were learning naturally without fear or pressure. Asking questions, David said, Let's try making questions. He asked Arjun, "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?" Arjun replied, "I enjoy listening to music and drawing." Ali asked, "Do you practice English every day?" "Yes," Arjun said, "at least 30 minutes." As the session ended, Rina gave them small grammar cards. "Here's a gift," she said. "Each card has a rule and an example. You can review them later." Everyone thanked her and left the cafe with smiles. Arjun felt happy. He didn't just learn grammar, he spoke it. He used it. And he remembered it. As he walked home, he thought, learning English is not just about rules. It's about real people and real stories.